Very good morning to all of you. So now our second chapter has been over. All the topics are covered now. But few students are facing problem in word problem. I gave you homework related to the number bonds. They are not able to draw the number bonds. Okay, so that's why I am explaining. I am making this video only for how to solve the problem, how to draw the number bonds for the word problem. Okay, so just open your book. This one I am doing your practice book. This is your practice book and the page number 16 and my turn 4 I am doing. The problem number 1 I am doing. 2 problem I will do from here and the 2 problem I will explain from my turn 5. Okay, so let's start. So our first problem is a climber climbed 8,432 feet on day 1 and 2,399 feet on day 2. How much did he climb in total? So one climber is there. Yes, who climbed this much feet day 1 and this much feet on day 2. Now they are asking how much total climb he did. So let's make a number bond for this. Day 1 and this is day 2. Yeah, these are our part 1 and part 2. Yes, so day 1 how much he climbed? 8,432 and day 2 how much he climbed? 2,399. Now they are asking us total climb. Total means whole. And how we find out the whole? When we combine these two parts, we can get the whole. So we have to do addition here. This is a whole. Means total climb. So we addition part will do at the side in the notebook only. Okay. So just first day 8,432. Mention their places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. And the second day is 2,399. So now let's find the total climbing. 9 and 2 makes 11. 1 will go for carry forward. 9 and 1 makes 10 or 3, 13. 1 will go carry forward. 4 and 1 makes 5 or 3, 8. And 8 and 2 makes 10. Yes. So 10,831 is total climbing. So here we'll write 10,831. Clear? This is clear? So this is a number bond. This type of number bond will draw. And this is a addition part also you have to solve in the notebook. And beta, see, whenever you are doing anything, before starting you have to read the instructions carefully. Many queries I am getting related to this. See, just read this what they have written here. Solve the following problem in your notebook. So few students they are writing answer here only. You have to do these sums in your notebook. And which operation will you use? Draw a part whole model. Part whole model is this one only, number bond. Okay, part whole model, or it is also called number bond. So now let's solve the second one. So let's do the next problem, the problem number 2 of my turn 4. A florist decorated a marriage function hall by using 73,200 marigolds flower, 7,321 roses flower and 9,807 lilies flower. Yes. So how many flowers did he use all together to decorate the hall? So the florist has used 3 types of flowers. So let's make a model here. Number bond. First, second, third. 3 types of flower he has used. First he used marigolds. Marigolds flower. So how many marigolds did he use? 73,200. How many roses did he use? 7,321. And how many lilies flowers he used? 9,807. Now they are asking how many flowers did he use all together. All together means we need to combine these three flowers. Yes. So let's combine them. It means they are asking us whole. Yes. They are asking us whole. So how we'll take out the whole? We need to add them. We need to add marigold, rose and lily flower. So let's add here 73,200. Mention their places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes. And this much roses. 7,321 roses. 9,807 lilies. 9,807 lilies he used. So let's put them together. 7 and 1 makes 8. 8 ones, 2 tens. 8 and 2 makes 10. 10 and 3 makes 13. 1 will go for carry forward. Yes. 9 and 1 makes 10. 10 or 7, 17. 17 or 3 makes 20. 0, 2 will go carry forward. 7 and 2 makes 9. So 90,328 total flowers he used to decorate the marigold. How much total flowers? 90,328. Clear? Is it clear to you all? So now next I am doing for my turn 5. Okay, my turn 5. Question number 1 I am doing. So next problem is I am doing from my turn 5. Yes, from my turn form I have explained 2. So in same way you have to do the rest one. Now in my term 5 I am explaining the 2. Then rest you have to do on your own. So our first problem is Anuba had rupee 234. She gave Tamanna rupee 177. How much is left with her? So two girl is there, Anuba and Tamanna. So Anuba total she has 234. Total means the whole money. This is a whole money which Anuba had. Anuba had rupee 234. And she gave Tamanna to this much. She gave. Means if you will take out this much, she gave to Tamanna. How much she gave? 177 rupees. Now they are asking how much money left with Anuba. So from total, if you will take out the one part, you can tell what will be the second part, how much she has left with. So how much she has left with, what we'll do? We'll do subtraction here. Total whole she has this much. And this is a part, one part she has took out. Means she gave to Tamanna. Now they are asking how much money left with Anuba. So how much left with Anuba? We need to do subtraction. So let's do here. 234 ones, tens, 100. And she gave to Tamanna 177. So let's do subtraction. We cannot remove 7 from 4. So take half from here. Here we have left with 2. Here in place of 4 now we have 14. So 14 minus 7. 7 will come. Yes. So here again we cannot take 7 from 2. So we'll take half from here. Here we have left with 1. And here we have 12. So now 12 minus 7. So you will get 5. And here 1 minus 1 makes 0. So how much total money she has left with? Anuba left with 57 rupees. What is the second part? 57. Clear? Is it clear to you all now? Our second problem is Arijit had 249 biscuits in his box. Yes, Arijit had 249 biscuits in his box. His friends ate 111 out of them. So how many biscuits are left with him? Yes, Arijit is there and his friend is there. So total biscuit Arijit has, total means a whole biscuit. How many biscuits? 249. Yes, Arijit has. It total this much biscuit it has. He has this much of biscuits. And his friend at 111 out of them. Means if we will take out 111 biscuits from 8. So how many biscuits are left with Arijit? So we need to do subtraction. Yes, to find the second part, this is a whole total biscuit. This is a part 1. So we know the whole and part 1. So how we find the part 2? We need to take out the part 1. It means we need to subtract the part 1 from whole. So let's find the part 2. So 249 ones, tens, 100 and subtract 111. 9 minus 1 8, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1. So what is the second part will come? 138. So Arijit has left with 138 biscuits. Clear to you all now? So this is all about this chapter. Now this chapter has been over. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I'm taking your doubt session. So whenever you are coming in the class, please must watch the video, then enter in the class. Okay. So bye-bye to all. The homework I will send through the WhatsApp. In homework also, if you have any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, you can drop me a voice message, or if daily you have to attend your class also beta. Daily you have to attend the class, you have to attend your doubt session so that I can clear your doubts. Okay. So bye-bye. Take care yourself.